Hi, today we're looking at another product sent to me from AliExpress for review. 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Portable mini home and car. A variety of suction, quick charge everywhere. So this is a wireless model. This is quite a cheap device. You can get this for 6-7 euros. Let's see what's in the box. Some attachments, a filter, the device itself, USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and the user manual. Straightforward. Okay, so obviously the reusable filter just slides in there. I see some clips on the side of this. They will mate to those clips on the cleaner. Here we go. Obviously not the most powerful vacuum cleaner you've ever come across. For the money, this is just for quick dust up around the car air vents, around the desk when you don't feel like breaking out the main vacuum cleaner. Let's give it a test and see how good it is. Okay, got some oats to simulate our dirt. Not bad at all. Let's just be able to clean and blow out that filter, reuse it. Let's see with the attachments, they just look like they are push fit. Yeah, very good. So if we try and, it does have a lip to catch most of the dust. And then you've got a little brush here. Let's try it with the brush attachment. Yeah, not bad. For the money, you can have this. I'll keep this close to my bench whenever I have a little dust spill. It'll be quick at hand. In the earlier video I did show you this little turbo blower. This has been great. It's a little bit more expensive, like 25-30 euros. But obviously when you're blowing dust all over the place. So you're just moving it from one place to the other. You're not really collecting it. So you can only really use this outside. Here in the office, on my bench, not a good idea. This one, I'll be able to collect the dirt, throw it in the bin. So, not too bad. It does say 2-in-1 because it has this attachment here, which just pushes in the back. And it becomes a blower. Not as strong as the other turbo blower that I showed you. But yeah, it makes quick work of those oats. Now I've got a mess to clean up, and I've got just the device. So when using the vacuum cleaner, do not put this attachment on because it restricts the airflow. I noticed the vacuum was weaker with this on, and it sounded a little bit like the battery was getting weak. Let's plug in a charger, see what sort of power it draws, and then at the end, let's just take it apart. Let's see what's going on inside. Okay, to charge it, I'm going to be using this. This is my 240 watt GAN charger, 8 ports. It's been doing a good job. Got this for 25 euros from AliExpress, and this top port jack can provide USB-C power delivery 100 watts. It's been fantastic. Okay, plugging in the charger. So 5 volts, 800 milliamps. So any phone charger that you can charge your classic, like Samsung phone, that will be able to charge this device, no problem. It does work while it's plugged in, although I don't recommend charging and using the device at the same time. There is a little red indicator there showing that the device is on charge. Okay, that's looking fine as far as the charging is concerned. Let's take it apart and see what's going on inside. There we go. 5 Phillips screws. I've got it apart. Very simple inside here by the looks of things. One 18650 lithium battery, so you're going to be getting 3.7 to 4 volts from that battery. You've got a motor, your impeller blade, very little wiring, one board to operate your trigger and to handle the charging. Looks very simple, but sometimes simple is better. Less stuff to go wrong. There we go, back together. Okay, let's have a look at the vacuum cleaner on AliExpress. Like I said, 7 euros, cheap for what it is. I will leave a link in the description along with some discount codes if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself. If you think I did a good job with this review, give us a like. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember, there's always a fix.